Hey guys, I just wanted to post this video. I've done a lot of searching myself and couldn't find anything on YouTube but $1,000 machines to suck and blow insulation out of your attic. Wanted to show y'all that they wanted $1,000 to do it through the spray foam company. And this right here is a dust collector from Harbor Freight that's cost me about $200 and about a $50 worth of solid French drain tubing. Let me show y'all how it works in a lot cheaper method. End of the drain tubing. Take this tubing and just start pulling it out. Just have to kind of go slow, make sure you don't pick up any big chunks of wood or anything, but works like a charm. I got about 2/3 of my attic done today and probably gonna finish it. A whole lot cheaper than what the spray foam company wanted. That's for sure. And a buddy of mine's gonna make use of insulation in his in-laws house that need it. And I'll have me a dust collector afterwards that I'll be able to use when I'm woodworking. Works like a charm. As you can see, I've already done all of this.